Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Fakhra Tehrim ChallengeWali, and today we are honored to have with us an inspiring personality who has built an outstanding career in the field of civil engineering through hard work, dedication, and continuous learning. Our respected guest is Mr. Shahab Khan, who has been serving as a senior project engineer in the United Arab Emirates for more than 14 years. He is not only a successful engineer, but also someone who is passionate about mentoring and helping others. Recently, he has developed a deep uh, interest in artificial intelligence and believes that the next generation, especially his children, should become AI experts and help spread this knowledge to others. So, Mr. Shahab Khan, welcome to the show. It's a pleasure to have you with us. And without wasting time, let's begin our interview. Kindly introduce yourself and tell us how your journey toward becoming a civil engineer began.
First of all, thanks for the invitation. My name is Shahab Khan, a civil engineer with over 14 years of experience in the UAE construction industry. I have been involved in high-rise residential and commercial development with responsibilities spanning structural work, finishing, quality assurance, safety, planning, and project execution. My path to civil engineering was not initially my personal ambition. It was inspired by my father's vision. At first, I followed it with limited understanding, but over time, I developed a deep appreciation for the profession. Today, I am sincerely grateful for the direction. Engineering has shaped my discipline, strengthened my leadership, and give me the opportunity to contribute to projects that positively impact communities. For me, civil engineering is not merely about constructing buildings, it is about responsibilities, trust, and creating lasting impact on society.
Okay, Shahab Khan, as you are a self-made professional, so what were the biggest challenges you faced on your journey to success, and how did you overcome them?
The most significant challenge that was the transition from academic learning to the real world of construction environment. Theoretically, knowledge is very different from site execution. Suddenly, you are required to manage drawings, coordinate team, ensure safety, compliance, maintain quality standard, and make decisions that directly influence project outcomes. Initially, this transition was overwhelming. I overcome it by remaining humble, actively listening, and continuously learning from everyone around me. Senior engineers, site team, and even from my own mistakes. Over time, consistency, patience, and a commitment to daily improvement became the foundation of my growth.
Okay, in your opinion, what qualities and skills are essential for becoming a successful civil engineer?
Technical expertise is essential, but it alone is not sufficient. A successful engineer must also possess strong communication skills, leadership ability, team building, planning capability, and problem solving competence. Since we work with diverse stakeholders on daily basis, coordination, clarity, and accountability are critical. Equally important are integrity, emotional intelligence, and the ability to remain composed under pressure.
Um, as you are known for helping and guiding others, so what inspires you to support people in their professional growth?
Because I have benefited from the guidance of others throughout my own journey. I strongly believe that leadership is not defined by authority, but by the ability to enable others to grow. If I can support young engineers in their development and help them avoid common challenges, I consider it a meaningful way to give back to the same profession.
How did you develop an interest in artificial intelligence?
My interest in artificial intelligence actually developed from my experiences as a civil engineer. For more than a decade, I have worked closely with construction projects where we deal with a huge amount of information every day. Drawings, specification, schedules, work plan, quality inspection, safety requirements, reports, coordination between different teams. Over time, I started asking myself unconsciously, can technology help us make better decisions, reduce repetitive works, and give engineers more time to focus on solving real problems? The curiosity introduced me to AI. Initially, I started exploring AI simply as a tool to improve my own productivity. But the more I learned, the more I realized that AI is not here to replace engineers or construction workers. It can become a powerful assistant that helps us analyze information, identify risks, communicate better, and make faster and more informed decisions. What really attracted me is the possibility of connecting AI with practical construction knowledge. An AI expert may understand the technology, but a civil engineer understands what actually happens on the construction site. I believe the real opportunity is when we combine both. So, my journey into AI is not about leaving civil engineering, it is about taking my engineering experience into the future and using AI to make construction smarter, safer, more efficient, and more human centered.
Okay, so how do you think AI will transform the civil engineering and construction industry in the coming years?
Artificial intelligence will be as a transformative for the industry as the computer once were. It will improve project planning, predict delays, enhance, enhance cost control, strengthen safety system, and support data-driven decision makings. As a result, engineer will be able to focus more on critical thinking and problem solving rather than routine documentation.
Can AI improve project planning, safety, quality control, and project management? If so, then how?
Yes, significantly. AI can analyze large data sets, identify risks, monitor safety compliance, detect quality issues, and automate reporting processes. However, it is important to understand that AI is a support tool. Final decisions will always require human judgment, experience, and accountability.
Shahab Khan, you want your children to become AI expert. So, what is the vision and purpose behind this goal?
My aspiration is not only for them to become AI experts but responsible innovators. Technical knowledge alone is not sufficient. Strong character is equally important. If they can combine artificial intelligence with ethics, creativity, and empathy, they will be able to create meaningful and positive impact.
Okay, that's good. So, how can parents teach their children AI while also ensuring they develop strong moral values and ethical principles?
Parents play a critical role in shaping both skills and values. AI education should be introduced alongside principles such as honesty, discipline, empathy, and responsibility. Technology should always be guided by values, not allowed to replace them, which it cannot. We should understand it and accept this.
Okay, so you also want to share AI knowledge with others. So, what is your vision for making AI education more accessible?
Artificial intelligence should be accessible, practical, and easy to understand by everyone. It should not be limited to software engineers or data scientists or any other relevant fields. It is a valuable tool for all professions, and everyone must understand this. Look, if we look at the mobile, it is the need of everyone. It is now in reach of almost every layman, and he is understanding it because it is the need. So, when knowledge becomes accessible, opportunities become more equitable. And the live example with us is mobile.
Okay, so many people believe that AI will replace jobs. So, what is your perspective on this concern?
No, AI will not replace jobs. It will transform them up to certain level. Professional professionals who adopt and upskill will grow, while those who resist change may face challenges. And the future belongs to individuals who can effectively combine human intelligence with artificial intelligence.
Okay, if you had the opportunity to combine AI with civil engineering to create an innovative solution, so what would you like to build?
I will I will develop an AI construction intelligence platform. This system would integrate planning, design, safety, quality, and project progress into a unified ecosystem. It would be capable of predicting risk, which is very much important for the project, recommending solutions, and supporting engineers in making faster and more informed decisions, which will reduce the repetition of works in various ways.
Okay, Mr. Shahab Khan, thank you very much for taking the time to join us and for sharing your valuable experiences inspiring journey and insights about the future of artificial intelligence. Finally, what message would you like to share with young people, engineers, and students, especially those who wants to succeed in the age of AI?
My message to young engineers and also the construction professionals uh, is simple. Don't be afraid of AI. Learn to work with it. AI can help us work faster, analyze information, prepare reports, improve planning, and solve problems more efficiently. But AI cannot replace the importance of real construction experience. We still need to learn from our seniors, supervisors, engineers, and even skilled workers on site. We should not hesitate either to learn from a senior or a junior person. I believe that future engineers need three things: strong technical knowledge, practical site experience, and digital intelligence. So, my advice to young engineers: keep learning, adopt new technology, but never lose your connection with the real construction site. AI should not replace your engineering thinking. It should make your engineering thinking more powerful and smarter.
I'm sure your words will inspire many young professionals and students to keep learning, work hard, and embrace emerging technologies with confidence. To our viewers, if you enjoyed this interview, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to follow us for more inspiring conversation. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.